So excited to attend my first AUSL game. This is the pregame introductions.
From UCLA, number 5, Jessica Clemens. From Oklahoma State, number 8, Lexi Kilfoyle. From Texas A&M, number 11, Emily Kennedy. From Florida, number 12, Jocelyn Erickson. From Arizona, number 22, Taylor McQuillan. Batting 6, designated player from Texas A&M, number 31, Matt Barber. Batting 7th, the first baseman, Stanford, number 99, Taryn Kern. Batting 8th in right field from Texas, number 6, Bella Dayton. Batting 9th at second base from Oklahoma, number 50, Iwana Akbayani. In circle for the Bandits from Minnesota, number 13, Amber Pfizer. And the head coach of the Chicago Bandits is Shonda Stanton. From UCLA, number 00, Rachel Garcia. From Georgia, number 12, Jaden Goodwin. From Texas Tech, number 20, Jackie Liss. From Texas Tech, number 24, Nigel Gabby. From Texas State, number 44, Jessica Mullins. From Florida State, number 51, Michaela Edenfield. And our starters. Leading off in right field from LSU, number 13, Danica Coffey. Batting second base center field from Oklahoma, number 5, Riley Boone. Batting third at third base from Duke, number 17, Amit Vega. Batting fourth at shortstop from Oklahoma, number 23, Tiara Jennings. Batting fifth, the designated player from Ole Miss, number 4, Aliyah Bidford. Batting sixth and catcher from Arizona, number 2, Deja Molipola. Batting seventh in left field from LSU, number 1, Jayla Lassiter. Batting eighth at first base from Michigan, number 32, Sienna Romero. Batting ninth at second base from Texas, number 43, Lee